Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a quick and easy, filling and healthy breakfast recipe which does not require any cooking. This nutrient-dense breakfast is ideal for bachelors, hostel students or for busy people. So let's get started with the recipe. I have about 10 to 12 overnight soaked almonds and I'm going to peel the almonds. Now the reason why you need to soak the almonds is that almonds contain phytic acid, which is a nutrient inhibitor. Soaking almonds for about 7 to 8 hours or even a little longer will help to release the phytic acid content in almonds. Phytates are nutrient inhibitors and may also cause digestive issues. So it's always ideal to soak almonds overnight or for about 7 to 8 hours and then peel the skin and use for better nutrient absorption. And as you can see, overnight soaking also helped the almond to sprout a little. I have added the soaked and peeled almonds into my small chutney grinder, and into that I'm adding in half cup of water. Instead of almonds, you can use soaked walnuts or cashew nuts. Any plant-based milk of your choice can be used in this recipe, like maybe even coconut milk. And now I'm going to blend this on high speed until the almonds are nicely blended. The almonds are nicely blended and fresh homemade almond milk is ready. I'm going to keep this aside. Into my small stone grinder, I'm adding in about 7 to 8 cardamoms and I'm crushing them. Once crushed, peel off the skin and then grind the seeds to a fine powder. And once the seeds are nicely ground, keep this aside. Freshly ground cardamom gives an amazing flavor to this recipe, so try not to omit this. I'm going to keep this aside. Into a bowl, I'm adding in 1 whole banana. Now this banana is slightly ripe. As you can see, there are some black spots on the banana. So the more black spots you have on the banana, the more sweeter it will be. So try to use a slightly ripe banana. Slice the banana into the bowl. With a fork, lightly mash the banana. This breakfast is ideal for everyone, even for those who are on a weight loss journey. It's easy to make, no cooking involved, and if you have some vegan plant-based milk in the refrigerator, then it will be more easy to make. I've already shared many vegan plant-based milk recipes. Please do check them out. You can also use oat milk in this recipe. I've already shared how to make oat milk. Please do check the recipe out. This recipe is ideal for everyone in the family. The whole family can enjoy this super healthy, nutrient-dense recipe. For an added sweetness, I'm adding in half teaspoon soft jaggery. This is organic jaggery which does not contain any sand or dirt or dust particles. Now instead of jaggery, you can use kakwi, which is also known as liquid jaggery, maple syrup, coconut sugar or even a couple of dates. If you're using dates, you can blend the dates also along with the almonds. The addition of the added sweetener is entirely optional. You can increase or decrease sweetness as per your taste. If you're making this for children, increase jaggery as per their sweetness. Into this, I'm adding in the freshly made almond milk. And like I mentioned earlier, if you're using dates, you can blend the dates along with the almond milk so that the dates will be nicely blended. I'm going to give this all a nice mix. So this is basically a 1 bowl recipe which does not require any cooking. Very easy to make in those busy mornings. Almond milk has healthy fats, and the natural healthy fats in almond milk helps in better assimilation of fat soluble vitamins. So try not to skip using a good source of healthy fat like almond milk or any plant-based milk of your choice. Now if you don't have almond milk or cashew milk, you can use peanut butter or almond butter. You just need to add in 1 tablespoon of peanut butter and add water and then lightly blend it in the small chutney grinder and use. Into this I'm adding in 1/3 cup of jowar flakes. Jowar flakes is also known as jowar poha or jowar aval. Jowar, also known as sorghum, is a highly nutritious millet and it is easily available across India. Jowar is a summer grain and helps to keep your body cool. It is rich in fiber and the high fiber helps to keep you feel fuller for a longer time, and thus it helps in weight loss and weight management. Jowar also helps to manage blood sugar levels and aids in good digestion. It's also a good source of protein and it's a powerhouse of essential vitamins, antioxidants and minerals. It is loaded with calcium, copper, zinc, phosphorus, potassium and B vitamins. The best thing about jowar is that it is gluten free and hence ideal for those with gluten intolerance. Jowar is also a good source of iron, and being a complex carbohydrate, jowar gets digested slowly, hence ideal for those with health issues like diabetes, PCOS and thyroid. The high phytochemical antioxidants in jowar helps to reduce inflammation in the body. Into this I'm adding in 1/3 cup of jowar flakes. These are organic jowar flakes. So always try to include seasonal millets and grains in your diet for your better health. I'm going to give this a quick mix. Next I'm adding in the freshly ground cardamom powder. Give it a mix. For some extra fiber, protein and omega-3s, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon chia seed. Give this a mix. The chia seeds will swell up along with the jowar flakes. I have already shared a video with regard to chia seeds and basil, that is the difference between chia seed and basil seeds. Please do check it out to understand more about the health benefit of chia seed and why you should be including it in your diet. Now there is some residue almond milk in the chutney grinder. So into that I'm adding in 1/8 cup of water. And I'm washing down the residue almond milk into the bowl. Give it a stir. And now I'm cleaning up the sides of the bowl. And lastly, for an added crunch and flavor, I'm sprinkling in 1 teaspoon raw cacao nibs. Adding raw cacao nibs is entirely optional, but I like its subtle crunch and flavor. Even though I mentioned that it is a healthy and filling breakfast recipe, you can also enjoy this as an early dinner, or you can enjoy it any time of the day. And I'm sure you will agree that this wholesome meal is so much better than cornflakes. So guys, do try this healthy jowar flakes recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.